XAUUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about gold against dollar. And before we start the analysis video, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, do all of that. And you can find out if you find some value, then you can do it after watching this video till the end, okay? Below the video we have some links as you can see, so you can click and check out these links in your free time. The one I'm going to talk about is the monthly membership. So click on this link, go and check out the benefits you can get if you join the monthly membership, okay? And it is like I will be doing these detailed breakups of these 15 pairs every weekend, Saturday, Sunday. I will share those in the membership, and plus gold analysis and plus much more you would find when you go and check out the link. Everything is mentioned there, okay? So let's come back and start the analysis of the gold, starting with the top-down approach with weekly. Let me see. Are we in gold? XAU? Yes, we're in the gold. Okay. Am I looking at this right? I just want to make sure I do so many videos. I have to make sure I'm the right chart. So we are in gold, dollar. Okay. We have broken all the previous highs. Then we had a long rejection, then a red candle. Okay. So you know what? Let me tell you a secret which nobody will tell you, or maybe they don't even know. Okay. Somebody is at my door, honey. We don't even have a doorbell. It's in your laptop. Is it? I'm sorry, guys. We don't have a doorbell. Somebody is in my laptop. So this sound which you heard, okay? Okay. And we also don't have a honey here. Anyways, so coming back, where were we? We were in the gold dollar, okay? So yeah, I was saying that nobody tells you this, or maybe they don't even know this themselves, okay? So the long wick here and the small wick here means that this is an uptrend. In the uptrend, when you have the long wick at the top, which means there are buyers pushing the market down. So in the whole last week, we can say that the buy trades were, there were more buy trades executed than the sell trades. Okay, more buys than sells. After that, what happened immediately this week or the last week, we had the whole week was down. Okay. Now, this could be a pullback and then we can continue going up. But this is weekly, which doesn't make sense because we have to take trades maybe on Monday or Tuesday, okay? So let's see if we can go back to daily and get a clear picture for the coming trades. Now here, we definitely have a new trend. You could see a medium-term trend. So we have eaten this candle. So these two red candles eaten the previous blue candle. Then pull back the new low. Now we don't know what's going to happen after the new low. Okay, all of this can be a pullback of this trend. Okay, so this is the uptrend. This could be a pullback. Then we can go up. So gold is actually tricky right now, as if you ask me, especially because gold has this liquidity. Like price going up and down, and you can make so much profit or you can lose so much money. Okay. So gold is tricky for me right now, as I can see that. So in weekly, we are surely taking a pullback. Daily as well, we are in the short trend, but this trend could be over as merely a pullback. Then we can go up again. Okay, but let's go to 4 hour. In 4 hour, we are down, but we have a catch here. I will give you the hint. This low and this low could be a trend reversal, or it could be double bottom. If it was a Forex pair, I wouldn't hesitate. It's gold, you can't say much, okay? So then we have a blue confirmation candle. I think it could be a trend reversal. I will confirm this. Let's go to 2 hours first. In 2 hours, what we have? In 2 hours again, we have double bottom, you can call it, or you can say that this low did not break the previous low. That's how you can understand, okay? So this low did not break the previous low in 2 hour, and then we have this blue candle, and then go back to 4 hour again, the same thing. This low did not break the previous low, and then we have a blue candle, okay? Now, should you enter buy, should you enter sell? Because this could merely be a pullback and continuation of the downtrend, but did not make the new low, okay? So gold is tricky for me, but when to enter buy? I mean, the overall trend is buy. So we will only look for buy opportunities if this previous high is broken, okay? So if I minimize this, I will only enter buy in gold, okay? If I come to 4-hour, if the blue candle crosses above the green candle, not rejecting the candle, not rejecting the EMA, new blue candle needs to properly close above the EMA, and after that take a pullback or retest the EMA, then you can enter buy. For now, we are far away from the EMA, and the way EMA is going down, we might continue the downtrend. But let's come back to daily. If you want confirmation in daily, daily is quite simple for me. A new blue candle has to eat this red candle. That's it. There has to be a new daily candle which is supposed to eat this red candle. That's when you enter buy and you take your profits right here. So let's say there will be a blue candle in daily which will be closing around 3288. I will enter there in buy, and then I will take my profits at 3240 and I'll be good to go. Okay, make $1,000 book and get lost, right? So daily is very easy. In daily, if you see a candle eating this candle, enter buy, take your profits here. In 4-hour, don't enter until a candle breaks above the this EMA. Okay, and then don't enter there. Wait for the pullback, retest the EMA, and then enter. But I think daily is much more easy and clear to me within my eyes. Okay, if that doesn't happen, then this might continue the downtrend. In the downtrend, let it make the new low, then pull back, then re-enter. However, I assume that gold will stay in the uptrend. So for you, the gold nugget here is that come into daily, let a new blue candle eat this red candle, then enter and make so much money. Okay, if you like what you see, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell if you want to watch these videos. Okay, and this is something nobody else will give you for free. You know what you get for free? Trend is up, look for buy opportunities. Trend is down, look for sell opportunities. Subscribe, like, bye. That's what you get in free videos. Here, what I gave you for free, that is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. Appreciate what you get for free. Subscribe, like. If you want to join my membership, click here, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm tired for today. Let's see if I can make another one. We'll see.